Hello everyone, my name is Sumitra Swain. I am a lecturer in BBA. Today our discussion topic is financial management. So, what is finance? First we need to understand what is finance. When we talk of the term finance in layman sense or in common man sense, we generally think that finance and money are similar. But when we will take in a broader sense, it is not very same or it is not equal to money. It is much more than money. So, what is finance? Finance is the provision of money when it is required. So, finance is the art and science of managing money, or it is the management of money. It is the study of value. It is the study of how to make good decision that involves money, and which decision you have to take in financial management or in regarding finance. You have to take the decision of what asset to buy and how to pay for the asset to buy. Means that you know that which project or in which asset you have to invest the money, and when you are investing you are expecting that there will be a good return or good profit, but there is also a thing that it involves that how you will pay for the money. If you will pay at a single time or you will pay for installment, all those things involved in financial management. So, we will discuss in a broader sense that what is financial management. The things comes now, what is financial management? Financial management is something that a financial manager does. So, what a financial manager does then? It is the operational activity of a business that is responsible for obtaining and effectively utilizing the fund necessary for efficient operation. Okay. So, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में जब हम बात करते हैं तो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर क्या क्या करता है? नॉर्मली तीन चीज़ ही करता है. फर्स्ट इज इट एक्वायर द फंड, मतलब कहाँ कहाँ से हमको सोर्स कलेक्ट करना है, हमको कैसे फंड कलेक्ट करना है. सेकेंड, हम जो पैसा कलेक्ट करेंगे, जो फंड्स हम कलेक्ट करेंगे क्यों करेंगे? सो दैट वी कैन इन्वेस्ट और वी कैन यूज दोज फंड इन सम प्रोजेक्ट और एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट. And the third thing is, when we invest the money, if there will be any profit, obviously we expect a good profit, and when there will be a profit, how we will distribute the profit. So, in financial management we normally talk about three things, that is acquisition of fund, use of fund, and the distribution of profit. Next, we will move forward to the scope of financial management. The first scope of financial management is estimating financial requirement. The first task of a financial manager is to know that what are the requirement of the business. मतलब एक बिजनेस में हमारा क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, हमको क्या क्या चाहिए जिसके लिए हमको पैसा चाहिए. अगर हमको पता ही नहीं कि हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है तो हमको ज़रूरत ही क्या है कि हम पैसा कलेक्ट करें और उसको इन्वेस्ट करें. So, the first thing is we have to know about our requirement. In business there are two type of requirement, that can be short term or that can be long term. We need to understand those requirement, and as per the requirement we will move to further things. Next is our deciding capital structure. After we have estimated the financial requirement, the second step is we have to decide the capital structure. Capital structure is the combination of various kind of securities from where we can raise our fund. But there is a thing that will be associated, that what is the cost of those capitals. Means we can raise our fund from equity share, preference share, debenture, government bond or anything, but there is a cost always associated with raising the funds. So, we have to calculate those costs and we have to decide as per those things. Next is our selecting a source of finance. So, when we have decided that our capital structure will look like this, now it is our turn to select that from where, or we will finalize the source from where we will raise our fund or capital. Next is selecting a pattern of investment. When we have collected our money, what we will do with that money if we will not invest in anything. So for the utilization of our fund, we have to take decision that in which investment we have to utilize those funds. हम अगर एक एग्जांपल ले तो हमको एक घर बनाना है, ठीक है, हम सोच लिए कि पैसा जो है हम कहाँ कहाँ से कलेक्ट करेंगे, लाइक हमारा जो खुद का पैसा है वो कुछ है और फिर बैंक से हम कुछ लोन लेंगे, ऐसा सोच लिए। फिर जो पैसा हम कलेक्ट कर लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल हमको 10 लाख रुपीज़ चाहिए था, हमको आ गया पैसा, बट द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हम जो घर बनाएंगे उसका ब्रिक, उसका सीमेंट, रॉड, एवरीथिंग, छोटा हो या बड़ा हो चीज़, हमको जो इन्वेस्टमेंट करना होगा, जो पैसा हमको लगाना है, हमको वो वाइजली ही सिलेक्ट करना है कि हमको कौन सा ब्रांड का क्या चीज़ चाहिए, ठीक है। क्योंकि हमारा जो घर है, और अगर हम बिजनेस की बात करें तो क्या है कि वो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए हम सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो अगर हम चीज़ को वाइजली डिसीजन ही नहीं लेंगे कि इन्वेस्टमेंट हमको कहाँ करना है, तो दैट विल बी not a proper utilization of our fund that we have thought to how to collect and from where to collect. Okay, so the next thing is we have to select a pattern of investment. Next, proper cash management. Proper cash management, what is that? Proper cash management means we have to manage the cash inflow and cash outflow. If we will talk about cash inflow, in cash inflow we can say that means from the sources where we can collect our cash, like our sale, और वी कैन से अबाउट कलेक्शन ऑफ आवर डेप्ट, हम जो सारे चीज़ उधार में दिए थे, वो जो सारे लोग हमको अगर पैसा देंगे तो दैट विल बी इनफ्लो ऑफ आवर कैश। एंड इफ़ यू विल टॉक अबाउट कैश आउटफ्लो, मतलब हमारा पैसा कहाँ कहाँ से जा रहा है, तो दैट कैन बी अ परचेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, डे टू डे एक्सपेंसेस, और हम जो सैलरी या फिर वेजेस जो पे कर रहे हैं, या फिर क्रेडिटर को जो हम पैसा दे रहे हैं, सो पैसा आ भी रहा है, पैसा जा भी रहा है। ओके, सो इफ़ वी विल नॉट मैनेज दोज थिंग्स इन ए प्रॉपर वे, दैट विल अफेक्ट आवर बिजनेस। सो financial manager have to take a decision that how we will properly use those cash. Next is implementing financial control. There are various control techniques like break-even analysis, ratio analysis, return on investment, budgetary control. There are so many techniques. So a financial manager have to take help of those techniques and manage the fund of its organization. And last is proper use of surpluses. We have discussed till now that how we will raise our fund, what are our requirement, how we will invest our money, how we will manage our cash. But at the end, what is our objective? Our core objective is to earn profit, and when we have our profit, if we are not utilizing those profit or those surpluses, then what is the benefit? If we will study financial management, we will know that how to utilize those surpluses, like जो शेयर होल्डर्स हमारे हैं उनको हम कैसे डिविडेंड दे रहे हैं, हम कैसे प्लगिंग बैक में मतलब रिटेन्ड अर्निंग कैसे कर रहे हैं, वो सारे हमको पता चलेगा अगर हम फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ेंगे। सो दीज आर द स्कोप ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट। एंड नेक्स्ट वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट with other discipline. Our first discipline is purchase function. What is purchase function? Means when we are talking about financial management, what is the relationship of financial management with purchase department or purchase function? So when we are talking about purchase function or purchase department, so what is that purchase function? Means we are purchasing of any raw material. So when we are purchasing our raw material, we are concerned about the price or cost of the raw material, means there is a association of funds. So we have discussed in previous slide that when there is a fund, we have to manage those funds. So this way we will interlink financial management with purchase function. Next is our production function. Production function मतलब क्या है? It is a conversion of raw material into finished goods. So, this is a continuous function. So, there is always a inflow and outflow of cash. So, we have to link financial management also in production function. Next is our distribution function. Distribution function means we have purchased our raw material, we have converted those raw material into finished goods, and now it is our turn to sell those finished goods in our market. So, how we will sell if those things or finished goods will not reach at the end of the customer or at the point of the customer? We have to distribute, we have to transport, we have to market those products. So, there will also be a part of financial management where it will be necessary to think that how to utilize those funds. Next is our accounting function. What is accounting? Accounting अगर हम सिंपली में बात करें तो ये एक रिकॉर्डिंग प्रोसेस है अबाउट व्हाट, अबाउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ मॉनिटरी ट्रांजैक्शन, मनी और मनीज वर्थ। कंपनी में जो भी सारे मॉनिटरी ट्रांजैक्शन होते हैं अगर हम उसको रिटन फॉर्म में अगर कहीं पे रिकॉर्डिंग करके रखते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग, क्लासिफाइंग, एनालाइजिंग, सो दैट इज़ अकाउंटिंग. And what is the relationship between accounting and financial management? अकाउंटिंग जो सारा चीज़ रिकॉर्डिंग करके रखता है, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट उसी डाटा को इंटरप्रेट करता है, एनालाइज करता है फॉर मेकिंग एनी डिसीजन और टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन इन फ्यूचर फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज आवर पर्सनल फंक्शन. So, in every organization human resource are the very important factor. Without human resource we can't survive or any organization could not survive. So, if they are working or if they are putting all their effort to grow your organization, what are you paying them back? So, for their incentive, for their wage structure, salary structure, you have to associate fund in that. And this is where we have to include financial management in personnel function. Last is our research and development function. In this competitive market or in this innovative market, we could not say that without research and development we can survive in this market. So, for this we have to invest, or I would say that this is the most wise investment that we will implement in research and development function. So, research and development function helps an organization to survive in the market and to grow in a very prospective manner. So, we can say that all those disciplines have a direct link with financial management. We will study further in our next classes. Till thank you.